Right, many like myself are quite disappointed with the Flir Pro thermal imaging camera. Now, I don't use it for building sites and things like that, but I do use it for finding shorts, and I've made a custom stand basically to put that on, turn it on, and then just sort of wiggle the board around on one of my previous videos. And just a quick advice to the community who are the owners who have a Flir 1 Pro is to ensure that you charge them on a regular basis, so maybe at least once a week. I know it's annoying. I know you shouldn't even have to do that, but unfortunately, to maintain that the device and the battery don't go in a sleep mode, you must charge them at least once a week. Just leave it plugged in until the green light becomes solid here, basically. But you'll know it. From the top of my head, I do believe it becomes solid, basically, once the unit is fully charged. So leave it plugged in once a week. As I said, it is a bit of a painful process. You don't have to do that. Flir should have dealt with this issue, basically. And one of the main fundamental reasons why you need to leave this plugged in once a week is that so the battery doesn't go in a sleep mode. If the battery goes in a sleep mode, you are going to struggle. You'll probably have to sort of dismantle this unit, which is more of a clipped type of can't see any screws unless the screws are underneath here when you take this off. Otherwise it's all sort of like a clicking clip type of housing, basically. So I would urge and highly recommend you to sort of leave this plugged in once a week, and hope for the best that the battery doesn't become defective. But as I said, and I'm repeating this again, if it goes in a sleep mode, you will struggle. So I recommend definitely putting this on a charge once a week. Other than that, I hope that Flir looks at these videos on YouTube and social media, whatever it is, to try and overcome the problem. I'm still getting complaints of people on my last video talking about the fact that they're still experiencing problems with it, basically. So I just don't know what's going on here, But anyway, that's all. You take care, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye for now.